Corn and soybeans trending down to end last week. Michelle Rook talks with John Heinberg with a look ahead to this week in markets now.
Friday's market closes and the grains lower and row crops higher in the wheat. John Heinberg with Total Farm Marketing is joining us. John, let's talk about that soybean market. A setback there. Some talk of China maybe buying Argentina beans hurt the market, or what was going on?
Yeah, I think it's a bit of an export story. We're hearing rumors that China was into the market for Argentina beans as well as Brazilian beans and kind of putting the U.S. bean prices on the sidelines again. Argentina right now is currently running another soy dollar program, so that just brings a lot of bushels to the marketplace at a cheaper level, even below those levels of Brazil. So it sounds like that China was ready to buy those up. I think that weighed on the market, as well as with the week ending here, just a little bit of profit taking, trying to figure out where we're going in terms of direction as we move forward. Yield harvest pressure coming up maybe now at the same time, but the market's just getting a little bit cautious in here.
Not the best technical close, though. So where do we go from here in the beat?
No, technically, that was a pretty difficult close today, especially after the Thursday's trade trying to bring this market back up. We got to, we'll go look at that 200-day moving average. That's down below the market here. It's about that 1330 area. We got a couple lows. Thursday's low was 1334, 1332 back in August. So a pretty key spot. If we can't hold that area, then we'll probably drop down, at least go back to the 13 handle.
And corn kind of followed soybeans, but also maybe starting to see a little harvest pressure.
Yeah, I think that's starting to ramp up a little bit here. I mean, obviously the USD report this week didn't bring us anything friendly whatsoever in that regard in terms of the extra acres and the bigger carryout projection. So it just feels like the market's very comfortable with the front end supplies here at this time frame. And with harvest starting to kick in here, might be difficult to get this market to rally.
Yeah, are you going to continue in this market to see more harvest pressure in both corn and soybeans as we move forward, or are the harvest lows in?
I think this week we'll see where harvest ramps up to. We do have some little bit of moisture in the forecast, so that could slow things down. But again, with those fresh bushels coming to the pipeline will make it very, very difficult, especially with the projections for the large crop that we do have. Right now, end users seem to be kind of comfortable with where we are on those front-end supplies, and that'll just make things difficult if we can't hold the low from last week. Then we got issues there.
Thanks so much, John Heinberg with Total Farm Marketing. We'll have more AgDay coming up.
To discuss marketing strategies, call 800-334-9779.